What's going on, everybody? It's Warhawk from Nerf Talk, and C is back with another cool Nerf tip. Well, actually, it's more of another indoor Nerf game, right?
Yep.
All right, so what do you got?
So the new game that we created is called NERF Bingo.
Nerf Bingo. All right, so Nerf Bingo.
It's a fun game that you can play indoors with any Nerf blaster. Here's what you need. Your parents' permission. A blank curtain. Cups. Markers. Scissors. One piece of sticky paper. Write the letters of the word Nerf onto the piece of sticky paper, then cut them out. Then stick the letters onto the cups. Then put your cups underneath the curtain.
So Nerf Bingo is a very fun indoor game, right? And the Nerf Talk Indoor Bingo, there are two very special cups, right?
Yep.
All right, so what are those?
There is the automatic win cup
And why is that the automatic win cup?
because it has the word Nerf on it.
Nice, okay. And the other cup is?
The lose your letters cup. And why it's called that is because no letters.
So what happens if the dart lands in there?
You lose all of your letters.
Well, it sounds like a fun game to me.
Here's how you play. Each person takes a turn shooting a dart at the curtain to try getting it into a cup. The way to win is to spell out the word Nerf, or you can get a dart into the bonus cup. Nerf Bingo is a very fun indoor game. You can play it with friends, family, or even by yourself. Thanks for watching and keep on nerfing. So, Nerf Bingo is what? I remembered the beginning